Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is going to be a quickie. I talked briefly about this in another video, but let me just show you. This is a quote-unquote generic beauty blender that you can get from the dollar store. And they have all kinds of different sizes and shapes and that kind of thing. But look what you can do. You can make great background by putting this in paint. This is from a, let me show you, ink pad, so many great things. So let me show you this. I'll do this real quick just to show you how you can just do, I mean, you can use this for stencils, you can use this for so many things. I mean, you can use it for your face too. I dip it in a little bit of water and I'm gonna go in with some green, and you can see it picks up beautifully. And then I'm just gonna dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it. And, oh my God, look at that. Fantastic. I mean, come on, right? And you can get, let's say you have 10 of them, and make a little holder for them, or get one of those hard plastic, oh gosh, they have them at the dollar store, like storage things where you could keep them. But you could do this, you could do, I mean, there's just so many fun things. And another fun thing, I might as well just wait with this. Another thing that you could do is you get these Q-tips. Can you see that great point? And let's go in for some red. This can make really great dots. As you can see, you can also go in and just do some, you know, dots like this, just as a different kind of stencil form. Think about doing this with, you know, like some sort of stencil and doing some sort of dot. You know how like that dot art that they have? I mean, you would be much better than I. Or you could use the other end and make, you know, you can rock it. You can make different shapes. So there's so many things you can do. You can color this in. And you see, so many wonderful things to do. You have this end. I don't know what we would do with this end. Let's see. Just do a little dot on the end. Looks like, yeah. Oh, enjoyable. So those are just a few things from your local dollar store you can pick up to play with if you do not have, you know, sponges, or, you know, the money to go out and get sponges. My Dollar Tree here, you can order and pick up at the door. You can definitely do that as well. You can use these with paints, with whatever you want. And you can even, if you have a stamp, I mean, there's just so many things, you know, where it gives you more control. And you can do that. So I hope this helped some of you guys, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I'll be back with some more great stuff, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.